viewers, welcome to Sevat Recipes. I'm going to share with you the food my family and I enjoyed. I'm going to do today Daun Pandan fried chicken. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. Hi, I have half kilo of chicken here. So I'm going to cut a bit on the thigh here for the spices to go in properly. So all done. So I'm going to first thing I'm going to add in turmeric 1 spoon, ginger 1 spoon, galangal 1 spoon, lemongrass 1 spoon, garlic 1 spoon, black pepper half spoon, corn flour 1 spoon, rice flour 1 spoon, salt according to taste, so I put in 1 spoon here, 3 spoon chilli powder, turmeric 3 spoon, half cup of Daun Pandan leaf juice. So I'm going to marinate them well. So it's done. So I'm going to leave this chicken for half an hour. So later I will fry them. Now I on the gas and I put sufficient enough of oil for me to fry the chickens. So wait for a while for the heat to come out. It's not enough yet. Now it's ready to start. I'm going to put in the chickens. And I'm adding in extra spices here to give good taste and crispy. Nice to eat with rice or just like that. To this, you can add in some Daun Pandan leaves for more aroma. Leave this for 10 minutes. Do not turn with the medium heat. I'm going to lift the chicken to the other side. You have to put this in medium heat so that the meat inside will cook well with all the spices. Now the chicken looks so beautiful in golden color, beautiful color. Now it's ready to remove to the tray. Look at the color, so beautiful. Let me arrange the chicken. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please try my recipe and comment about it. Please subscribe to my channel as I'm going to upload more video for you to watch. Thank you.